everyone. Today I have visited to our branch. Here is Saitama Prefecture, Kawaguchi City. Of course, our company, Fun, has a service center and branch in domestic in Japan. One over here, just we received to the audio and then video products. Just please look at. Now our engineer, Nioka-san, repairing to the cassette recorders. So, we want to make to the good support for customer. Of course, we want to support to the even AIBO owner too. Okay, so please feel free to contact us. Telephone number is 080 2045 5774. Okay? Anytime, please freely contact us. Thank you for your attention.